This 2023 Lance TC Short Bed 650 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 15 feet 6 inches in length and features a Bronzite interior, sleeps 3, awning, skylight, microwave, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Lance TC Short Bed 650 is 2,061 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.